Hello everyone, myself Aviksha. I am here to present the seminar topic about stateful session bean in EJB. What is stateful session bean? Stateful session bean is a business object that represents business logic like stateless session bean, but it maintains state, that is data. It is defined as conversational state between multiple method calls in maintained by the container. They are dedicated to one client for their entire lives. So swapping or pooling of instance isn't possible. Life cycle of a stateful session bean. There are three states that maintaining the life cycle of stateful session bean, that is does not exist, ready state, passive state. In does not exist, in this state, the bean instance simply does not exist. Ready state. A bean instance in the ready state is tied to particular client and engaged in a conversation. Passive state. A bean instance in the passive state is passivated to conserve resource. The various states transitions as well as the methods available during the various states are discussed below. Does not exist. It EJB creates. It will go to the ready state. When the business method is invoked, it will call the ready state. When EJB passivate, it will go to the passive state. If EJB is activate, it will remain in the ready states only. The passive timeout, it goes to the does not exist. When EJB removes the instance, it will go to the does not exist state. Moving from the does not exist to the ready state. When a client invokes a create method on a stateful session bean, the EJB container creates a new instance and invokes the callback method public void set session context. This method has the parameter java x.ejb.session context, which contains a reference to the session context. That is the interface to the EJB container and can be used to self-reference the session bean object. After the callback method set sessions context is called, the EJB container calls the callback method EJB create that matches the signature of the create method. Next one is the ready state. A stateful bean instant is the ready state is tied to a particular client for the duration of their conversation. During this conversation, the instance can be execute component methods invoked by the client. Activation and passivation. To more optimally manage resources, the EJB container might passivate an inactive stateful session bean instance by moving it from the ready state to the passive state. When a session bean instance is passivated, its data is serialized and returned to the disk, after which the bean instance is purged from memory. Just prior to serialization, the callback method EJB passivated is invoked. If your session bean needs to execute some custom logic prior to passivation, you can implement it using this callback method. If after passivation a client application continues the conversation by invoking a method, business method, the passivated bean instance is reactivated. Its data stored on disk is used to restore the bean instance state. Right after the state has been restored, the callback method EJB activate is invoked. If your session bean needs to execute some custom logic after activation, you can implement it using this callback method. The caller, a client application or another EJB of the session bean instance will be unaware of passivation and reactivation having taken place. If a stateful session bean is set up to use the NRU, not recently used, catch type algorithm, the session bean can time out while in passivated state. When this happens, it moves to the does not exist state. That is, it is removed. Prior to remove to, to removal, the EJB container will call the callback method EJB remove. If a stateful session bean is set up to use the LRU least recently used algorithm, it cannot time out while in passivated state. Instead, this session bean is always moved from the ready state to the passivated state when it's time out. Moving from the ready to the does not exist state. When a client application invokes a remove method on the stateful session bean, it terminates the conversation and tells the EJB container to remove the instance. Just prior to deleting the instance, the EJB container will call the callback method EJB remove. If your session bean needs to execute some custom logic prior to deletion, you can implement it using this callback method. An inactive stateful session bean that is set up to use the NRU not recently used catch type algorithm and timeout, which it moves to the does not exist state, that is, it is removed. Prior to removal, the EJB container will call the callback method EJB remove. If a stateful session being set up to use the LRU least recently used algorithm times out, it always moves to the passivated state and is not removed. And this is all about the stateful session bean in EJB. Thank you.